Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we're gonna do a Dollar Tree DIY Valentine's version. And so I've got these little guys. They come with these wire ties here. And while I'm talking, I'm just gonna tie this really quick into a bow. I thought about it. I made some with snowflakes for you guys for Christmas into ornaments. My family loved them. They were so thrilled to receive them. And so one of them, I ran out of snowflakes, so I did these hearts instead. And they loved them so much that they're keeping them up and wanted one for their little cat. So they asked me if I could make one. I said, sure. So I thought I'd make one along with you guys. I got out my Scrabble tiles and just found, I couldn't find a K. That's the only one I could find. So I had to like mix all my different Scrabble tiles. So anytime you are at a garage sale or a Goodwill or something and you find a Scrabble board, grab those tiles. So then I got one of the popsicle sticks that are from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to measure that up, see exactly where I need it, and using my handy dandy scissors there. And then we just need to know about how much there is going to be on this side. And got rid of that as well. Now we're going to take these, we're going to flip them over, lining them up straight. All right. Straight as I could get them. We're going to take our glue. Is my glue not heated up? What's going on here? Oh, there we go. I'll put those all across the back here. Making sure it doesn't get too heated up or too dry first. Cool down, I guess. We're just going to stick those on there and push that down and wait for that to dry. Pushing them all together. And then we're going to take this guy, super quick, super easy. I made so many of these. And then, oh, that one did dry a little too quickly. So, I am using a silicone mat for this from Stampin' Up. So we got these. I'm still going to get them in really good, just in case some of that didn't stick really well. And we're going to add some to the sides here, just to make sure that they are going on there really well. And don't be afraid, none of this glue is going to be seen. I need a new glue stick there. And now we're going to go right across with some more glue. We're going to line that up. Just like that. Now we're going to take a couple pieces of ribbon, and I've got this real red ribbon, and then I've got some black and white gingham ribbon. And I'm going to put those two together. I'm going to kind of fold them here. And we're going to stick it through. And I want to make sure that the red is on the inside, the gingham is on the outside. And I always make my ribbon a little longer than I need, just in case, because you never know. I haven't had problems with these two not being stuck together as long as I tie them properly. But if you want to actually make sure that the black doesn't slide away from the red, all you need to do is put a little bit of hot glue there. And then, like I said, I make them long enough. That way I could make a nice knot. So we're going to stick that right through here. I'm going to make it as tight as possible there. There we go. And then I'm going to take my little ribbon scissors and I'm going to cut it fairly close there, just like that. And then I'm going to take my Dollar Tree lighter and I'm just going to hold it over that for just a few seconds. And then on my silicone mat, I'm going to pop that right down and it gives a nice edging there. So then hopefully, yep, it should not fall away. And then I'm going to finish it off with adding a little bow right here. So I'm just going to take my hot glue again, put a little dollop there, and add it right there. And there we go. We made a third ornament. One says his name, the other says her name, and then their pet cat socks. They wanted one for her, and so I'm making this for them. And that'll go on their little Valentine tree. All right, that would be cute and easy. And guess what? This is so funny. It does say socks, so you could actually make these to hang from a basket if you had like a sock basket, or to use these instead of labels. Wouldn't that be adorable? If you like this idea, please give me a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.